Music therapy is a very diverse practice. There are many different types of music therapy. It can range from almost like a type of psychotherapy where music is used as a tool, as a way to access whatever problem you might be experiencing. And then on the other end of the spectrum, it can be simply listening to music. So music is a form of medicine because of its core effects on your nervous system. So you might think of something like taking a psychoactive drug like an antidepressant, and it works by changing the flow of certain neurotransmitters in your brain. Well, this is precisely what something like music does. Music is a stimulus that acts on your nervous system and changes the activity in certain circuits. In general, I think if you approach a music therapist, they will tell you that anyone can participate in music therapy, and part of the therapy is trying to find what musical strengths and limitations you might have and trying to leverage those towards whatever clinical problem you're dealing with. We're now seeing the emergence of app-based music therapy, app-based delivery of music therapy. And this is great because it's something that you can really have on demand. You can access it whenever you need it. When you're feeling low, when you're feeling anxiety, you can turn to these services and get the benefit of music that's specifically designed for therapeutic uses towards some clinical goal you may have or subclinical goal. One of these apps I've worked closely with during the development is an app called Spiritune. And Spiritune is interesting because it combines principles of music therapy with the principles of neuroscience. I was the neuroscience advisor. I worked very closely with the music therapist for that company, and we worked with their musical team to develop parameters for different types of emotional effects of music and ways to transition between those different effects.